G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so I've just fitted this solar vent, and you can see here how this tile here is offset by half to the next tile down, right? And so that creates a little bit of a problem when you're fitting a vent like this, because you've got to flash the gap. So normally when they're straight above each other, you would be able to fit it in between, and that. But in this case, you've got to put some flashing over that little gap there to stop the water coming in. And it's the same on the other side. So there's a bit of flashing on either side. The alternative to that is to cut a tile, but the tiles are fairly brittle when you cut them in half too, so they tend to break in half. Once you cut them into half, they tend to break into quarters. But anyway, that's all done, and we'll go on to the next one.